Hello everyone, I'm back at again. Char. Mag-kuan taron, ukay haul. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna show you dresses nga akong gipalit sa ukay for such a low prices. Kay wala mo ko'y mabuhat ron, niuli ko sa amo And then, what about making this one? Anyways, I'm gonna show you 3 dresses nga akong gipalit sa ukay for such a low prices. Let's start up with this. I'm gonna wear it to like show you how this looks like. Okay, this is how the dress looks like. Fashionable ka siya. Fashionable. Anyway, she's so good. I need a belt for this because it's dako dyan siya kayo nako. But yeah, this is for like 20 pesos. Ipalit ako siya nga dress kay actually needed kay nako ni siya at the time kay like nako yata na birthday party and the theme color is blue. And then kita ko ni sa okay. So gigrab na ako ang opportunity. So yeah. This is the second dress. I really love this dress because kuan kay siya like corporate type. I don't know. But this looks good. Ipalitan ako siya around 2 years ago. Isuotin ako siya pag acquaintance party na mo. So yeah. For I think 80 pesos or 60. Naraan na ang price range ni. But yeah, this dress is like 2 years ago. Last but not the least, this one. It is so beautiful, but the thing is wala ko kabaloon sa asa na ko ni siya i-wear. See that? Akong buna. Wala ako kabalo asa na ko ni siya isuot kay dapat isuot na ko siya for a type of event na mo. Pero wala siya na dayon. So, asa na ko siya isuot? It is so good. Like, see that? It is so good. But I don't know where to wear this or when. But yeah, this is the last dress na ako ang gipalit sa okay for like 40 pesos. So good. Need to like search it up on Pinterest asan ako ni siya pwede suot or like another kanang inspo kung saan siya pag style. But yeah, that's it.